So the guys, before were completing the carbon paper like a scroll on a service report, couldn't always read the writing, whereas now we're producing this lovely PDF, pictures, locations, asset IDs. The level of professionalism has just stepped up like a massive gear. We've had a few comments already saying, is everything okay? Why is it so different? Well, like, we're coming into the 21st century. This is just how we're performing now. SafeLinks is a fire safety company. We're based in Alford, which is in Lincolnshire, so quite a rural location. That doesn't stop us giving that nationwide service from the top of the country to the very bottom for all of our products that we sell. We've got over 8,000 fire safety products, and then also we've got the labour side for the servicing as well.
So what would you say is the biggest time saver since using Uptick?
The fact that we all have Uptick on our mobile devices and use it simultaneously. I can have a job that a colleague has also got if we're on a two-man site, and I can refresh it and see exactly what my colleague has done, so I don't waste time going to look for that asset to service it myself. I already know it's been done.
So paint me a picture. What was life like managing your operations before Uptick versus now?
So before Uptick, we were really admin heavy. So our guys were using carbon sheeted pads out in the field, so the good old 3-page cardboard piece of paper underneath. So if they were out on a long job and away for a week or two, the admin delay was so big. We'd end up with a stack of reports. We'd have to scan, save, name a PDF, create an email, attach, check it all, figure out what remedials were, costing, priced, a lot. Whereas now, before they've jumped in the van and got the belt on, with Uptick, they've literally marked it as performed. It's in our inbox, ready to go.
Wow.
So it's really improved.
So what's your favourite part of Uptick?
I like the fact that I can bring up a report preview to the customer so they know exactly what they're going to receive. Show them the defects, the changes and repairs that we have done. Compare it to the before and after. Answer any questions that they've got before they actually receive it. Make any changes if need be. Once they have okayed it, I can send it straight off to the office, who can invoice, send it to the customer.
I think for us now it's having everything in one location. So before we had the PDF of the paper report, finding the physical report if we couldn't find the PDF, an Outlook calendar entry that was all colour coded for our engineers, as well as our own service and database that was in-house. Whereas now, as we're building it job by job, day by day, it's all in one centralised location. So again, I know it's talking about the future and everyone wants results immediately, which we are obviously seeing, but just knowing next year, it's all there, it's all ready. And just being able to get the visibility for the guys, for the route planning and the maps, it's just so much better.